This Makita features a Makita-built 15-amp industrial motor that delivers 4,500 RPM. Combined with well-balanced magnesium components for a lighter weight saw that delivers true power the professional user demands. Users will benefit from the precision-machined Hypoid gears, which are maintenance-free and deliver more constant power than worm drive gears. Hypoid gears allow for more surface contact, so more power is transferred over a wider surface, providing increased power and durability. In addition, Hypoid gears are sealed in an oil bath so they never need maintenance. The saw has a large cutting capacity with a maximum bevel capacity of 51.5 degrees and positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 51.5 degrees for quick back and forth changes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ergonomic and ease of use. Features: magnesium components allowed Makita to engineer a saw with less weight that is well balanced and job site tough. Additional design details include greater clearance between the rear handle and the blade case to provide a better grip for larger hands or users with gloves, as well as a wider space between the blade and housing for a clearer view of the blade and measurement scale. Makita also engineered ergonomics and ease of use into the saw, including clearly visible depth and bevel markings and ergonomic hand grips to improve overall control while minimizing operator fatigue. The large rubberized levers provide quick, one-handed adjustments for more efficient work. Number 2. Includes ultra-coated framing blade. This Makita includes a Makita 7¼ premium ultra-coated framing blade with advanced tooth design. The M-shaped tooth design features a two-pointed tip and two 10-degree bevel faces to maximize cutting performance for a faster, cleaner, and longer-lasting cut. The carbide tips are specifically set to withstand the harshest conditions such as plowing through nail-embedded wood. The blade is also ultra-coated to reduce heat and pitch buildup for faster, smoother cutting, with special Makita heat vents strategically set to dissipate heat and increase performance. This Makita also includes a blade wrench attached to the saw for fast and convenient blade changing. Number 3. Engineered for a range of applications. This Makita is built for framing walls, floors, and roofs using a range of dimensional lumber and dense engineered lumber, including LVL, PSL and I-joists, headers, and microlams, as well as ripping panels such as plywood, OSB, particle board, and dense structural panels. Other applications include plunge and bevel cutting, as well as masonry and metal cutting. This Makita is just another example of Makita's commitment to innovative technology and best-in-class engineering. Number 4. Oil bath technology is created with a built-in fan and sealed gear housing to ensure 100% oil surface coating for less maintenance. Number 5. Large cutting capacity with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 51.5 degrees. Number 6. High quality. Heat-treated Hypoid steel gears do not prematurely wear like traditional bronze alloy worm drive gears. Number 7. Reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Number 8. 1-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.